Welcome to Amazing Maths Pro. So today we are looking at how to generally add fractions or two fractions where the denominators are different or they are not the same. So this is a general thing that you can do. So what you have to do here is, this time we don't want to look out for the LCM, the least common multiple, the lowest common multiple. So we are using letters here. So the first fraction is a out of b plus c out of d. So what we're going to do is that in order to find for the LCM for the b and then the d, since we don't know, they are not numbers that we can actually know, we multiply these two. We multiply them to be our LCM. We multiply them to be our LCM. So the LCM is going to be the multiplication of the denominators, which are different. So that one will give us BD. After that, we express the fraction in terms of the BD. So on this side, we have our BD here, plus this side we have our BD over there. Now, since we are multiplying here by the BD, so when you compare the denominator here with what we have here, the difference here is that this one is multiplied by D. So we write our A and multiply also the numerator also by the D. Yes. Similarly, when you compare the new denominator here, the common denominator, which is BD, compared with this. So meaning D here is being multiplied by B. So we do the same thing here. You multiply the numerator there by the B. Yes. So we now have a common denominator, BD. When that happens, then we can go ahead and add the numerator. So we have AD plus BC. AD plus BC. So if these were to be numbers, you would have just added them and then simplify as the need may be. We'll just add them and simplify as the need may be. Now let's use the general thing that we have discovered over here to simplify the expression on our right here. So like I said here, we are not going to find for the LCM, provided we don't know. We are assuming that we don't know the LCM. So what we're going to do is that our LCM here is going to be 7 times 3, which will give us 21. Now we have 21 here. We bring in our plus sign, and then we have here also 21 like this. So the LCM here is 21, but the denominator here is 7. Remember here we multiply the 7 by 3 to get our 21. So in effect, it's just like saying here we have 7 times 3 plus here also 7 times 3. So the LCM, when you compare the LCM, here is the denominator here is 7, and then here also 7, and it's being multiplied by 3. So we multiply both the numerator and denominator by the 3, the extra 3 over here. So here is going to be 4 times the 3. And then when you compare the LCM, which is 7 times 3 here with this, so it means here it's being multiplied by 7. So multiply the 7 by the numerator here, 1. So that's one is going to be 1 times 7. All right, so our next action is to find 4 times 3 will give us 12 out of 21 plus 7 out of 21. So since they have the same denominator, we can easily write a single denominator, which is 21, and add the numerators together, which is 12 plus 7, which will give us 19 out of 21, which will be our final answer, 19 out of 21. That will be our final answer. Thank you very much for watching, and please subscribe to our channel.